Here, let me turn off the. Let me turn off.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Storm. Storm, really? Really? You're gonna do that?
Better storm than you.
Whoa.
I go out on my own terms. Everchrome? Evochrome shotgun? Oh wait, that's right, you can climb up ledges now. Where is they?
Good grammar.
they can't hit me. They isn't hit me.
You can get. Oh, you know you can get that Among Us backpack in this game. What about the explosive goo gun? Do you want that?
Goo gun?
I don't know anything about this game.
No, that's what this is. What on earth?
Dude, I actually never used that gun before. It was
Whoa,
recent.
that's cool. Okay, I'm keeping this. You may be better at building than me, but are you better at soccer than me?
Oh no! Dude! Back up there. No, stop it. Get back up there. Stop that.
Under the car. I don't see where this guy
shows
is.
go. Fortnite, that'll pass.
Dude, turn around. I'm killing you.
No. Push the button. Yes, we be
Wow.
dancing.
We're gonna win like this. Oh, he got me with the explosive goop gun. Goo gun. Ah!
What the heck?
Oh, I got him.
That's what that was. You hit me with your own goo. Dude, stop grenading yourself! What are you doing?
What? I killed them.
There are bodies for you to kill ourselves with. all my freaking pieces. Flippity flop derps.
Okay, the goo gun, I think, is a top tier weapon. I'm typing.
That was your bro. I'm not gonna lie. That was.
Oh, there's a dude here.
Dude, I hear grenades and I just know it's you.
It's not me. I killed the dude. Let's see, where are they? I will use my explosive jelly gun. Ooh, thanks. Dude, that gun is so good. I love this gun. Whoa, another one. Where? Oh, there he is. Now these grenades are me.
Killed
Nice.
the Pewlee.
Okay.
So we got 2 of these keys. We can go into the vault.
I got 2 med kits, so should be okay.
Bro, this was the vault was. I think I got rid of the vault.
Now I got 3 med kits.
Okay, you have no health after this. I have had health. Or you got to drop me a med kit.
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna use one and then
Drop one. Drop your inventory. Just push. Yeah.
whatever.
Bro, why did you do that here?
Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna die now. Use it now. You need to use it now. We're gonna die. You need to use it now.
No. Oh. I can't be.
You did. Use it quick.
No. Like freaking teeth of doggy poopy dooper. There's no possible way to do that. Oh my goodness.
That's not acceptable. I need to invite him. Reject invite.
Is it working?
Yeah,
Yes.
there you go.
Why do I have hair now? My hair is not even that long.
To your left, behind you. To your
Dude,
left,
see, I
behind you.
can't.
Right. There you go. Right in front of you. Oh no. Oh, 2 against 1.
Yeah, I'm only scared of Nemo here.
What? Oh, you think he's
Maybe
better than
fighting,
me?
You know, just a little bit.
Is he already dead?
Just a
Yeah,
little bit.
Nemo is already dead.
I'm playing like,
Oh.
dude, you medding out in the open? I pickaxes.
Double teaming's the only way we're gonna win. Double team.
Even true though.
And I fell to my
Oh,
death.
yeah. What's the thing when you
Aw,
the
lucky.
waste the health killing you? What's it called again? What's that?
You only got 50 though, so you still would have survived.
Ah.
Got him down to 100, bro.
My first ever win, and it was totally legitimate.
Pro is actually thinking he's good.
Ah.
Kill him.
No. Oh, my aim is awful.
Oh my goodness, that was like 3 HP. That was very close.
I'm a cannibal for eating fish. Ah.
What if I
You
knocked
have
him
the
down
high
though?
ground.
Pull the no reverse card here. Wait, now ready? The best part of this game is this. Like, oh no 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 no!
Judging
Imagine
by
he
the
could kill me.
screams, you're low.
Dude, no!
Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
I will kill you. Oh no! I did not expect.
Oh, what?
That was picture perfect.
If I built a wall and a ceiling, I would have won. Oh, that's amazing.
Dude, look at this. I got some weird. Oh, dude, I forgot. This is not good. This is a note 1-0. Oh, baby, you can see my skills declining here, right?
Oh,
Okay.
yes, I can see it. Still cracked.
Or show this online. Sounds kind of cool, actually.
Ah,
Bro, what? Bro, Cthulhu just fell off the freaking. I thought I was gonna get deleted just because I'm so bad at controlling. I mean, I did originate on Switch, so I somewhat had the controller built in me, you know? The roots run deep in the controller.